In the name of Jesus, what I want to say, in the name of Jesus, yes, Lord, you see a we shall speak and it shall be established, Lord. In the name of Jesus, yes, Lord, thou, O mountain, who art thou? Before me thou shalt be brought low, and every valley shall be exalted. In the name of Jesus, I supersaturate every ground, and I come against any force of darkness, spirit of madness. In the name of Jesus, I come against you, and I neutralize your influences. Yes, Lord, by divine power, authority, and by the finger of Yahweh, I bring you down, and I set my brother free. In the name of Jesus, we are.
You are my defender. You are the living God. Oh, it's no one like you.
But the battles of the Lord, in the name of Jesus, I call it done. The Bible said the same yesterday, today and forever. You are the miracle working God. Arise, O God, and let our enemies scatter. Yes, Lord, Jehovah Shammah, ever present God, in Brethren Wafo, ever met you aqua, in something for Jebia, Amambia, the Yachitsema, by finger of God, by fire, by thunder. I set him free in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus, every yoke of madness be broken. Yes, Lord. Oh, Jesus.
obodo nana kwumi kuchasi achukwa bilebi nani gibokuweme ikarabi neme ekuweme ibu ekuweme okamere